Welcome back. Hope you're doing well. We're going to continue with our 1-point perspective room, and right now what we're going to do is build a bed sort of at the back of this room, maybe a desk up against the windows here, and possibly put like a carpet underneath. Remember, everything in this room is 1-point perspective, so we're just drawing towards the one vanishing point for most of our sidelines. Everything else is pretty much is going to be going vertical. So to do our bed, we're going to make a bed with like a headboard right up against this back wall. To make that headboard up against the back wall, I'm going to go ahead and just start with kind of a rectangular object, and we can do little side tables too. I'm going to start with a rectangular headboard, and then we can customize it if we want to, put some curves on it, some rails, make it old-fashioned or modern looking. That part is up to you. I'm going to make it a little shorter, give myself some room. All right, so right here, I'm going to make it a little bit longer than I think I need. I can always have the option of erasing. So that is going to be where the headboard is, where pillows are, and all that fun stuff. Now, if you look and see, you can sort of almost work backwards. You will use the vanishing point, and you're going to be lining it up with the bottom corner of that headboard. Once you do that, you can work your way out to where the bed, the foot of the bed comes to. So rather than drawing the mattress and doing all that and trying to get it the right height, if you work from where the headboard is, I had to throw something at Oliver because he was chatting with Matthew. I would have thrown it at Matthew, but Oliver was closer. Oliver, are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so then I'm going to draw from this corner over here. Again, drawing light till it's right. Then I'm going to get rid of a little bit of my line, otherwise it's going to look like a massive bed. I'm going to go and make another horizontal line. So at this point, I'm going to get rid of any excess that I don't want or need. I'm going to get rid of this bottom line for where the wall was because it's not a see-through bed. Now I need to draw some thickness, some weight, some heaviness to this. And so at this point, I'm just going to drop straight down. Remember, most things are going to be either vertical or towards that vanishing point. So I can make sort of my mattress area if I wanted to, and then maybe make it, I can put some legs on. Actually, I'm going to make it a little thicker. Let me come back to it. You know how you have like the box spring and then the mattress? Let's do that. All right, so now I'm going to do like a double thickness thing. And then even when I do like the little legs, you can make them like little round things. 1 and then 2. So the rest of that stuff is going to end up like pillows and all that. You can start to customize as well. And remember, pillows are essentially just big rectangles that have sort of softer curves. Huh? Well, I sleep on clouds. I don't know about you. Okay. So we got that going on. You can do all your sheets and stuff like that. I'm going to do a carpet now sitting underneath. This is a tiny bedroom, but that's okay. It's for guests. I'm going to then come out. You know how you have a carpet and it kind of goes a little bit past any object that it might be under? So I'm going to take that vanishing point. I'm going to go right from where the bed ends. I'm going to come out. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And remember, give yourself some forgiveness. Give yourself some room to work. So if you need to erase or add on, make it a line that is editable. So then I've got that. I'm going to go now and connect my 2 lines on either side. Make sure it's nice and parallel to my bed thing that's going on. Now if I wanted to make this like fringy carpet or whatever, or put a border on it, I'll put a border on it and then I'll make it fringy. So go ahead and make a line on the inside and then take the ends of those lines, connect it to my vanishing point. Again, this is real monotonous. It's just the same thing over and over again. Make it look sort of even on the left and the right. As soon as I hit something, I stop. Okay. You can change the value, start to shade in things to differentiate your different areas. I'm going to put some fringes on my carpet, and then maybe I'll put, what do y'all want to do? What do you want to put in front of the bed?
You know, like, one of those, like, couches.
A couch, okay.
Yeah, like,
Well,
one of those or you can put a dresser. You want that for, like, pontoons. Yeah, like the fancy old-timey couches. No, not couches. Like a little dresser. Or like a bed. Small. Yeah, or like a chest that turns into a bed.
Oh, we'll do like a chest kind of thing. Because if you do a chest, or if you do a bench, or if you do a couch, it's all the same concept. All right, so here's what we're going to do. This is going to be the end of part 1 on decorating my bedroom. We'll be back with part 2. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.